All right, so here's what we got. We have the VOXL Flight hooked up to this S-Bus receiver. We also have our Servo connected. And then we also have power, 5 volt, coming off of the main battery line. Here's our S-Bus controller. Nothing special other than the battery is hanging out of the back because I couldn't find the cover for it. Gonna power on. And come over here. We're going to connect to it over micro USB. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is select our airframe. We're going to choose generic quadcopter, accept and restart, and we'll just wait for this thing to reboot. Gonna hit OK. Now we are going to go into parameters and change pre-arm mode to always, so that when we want to trigger this, we don't actually have to arm the drone. Next thing that we're going to do is go into radio, and we're going to go ahead and calibrate. Notice you can see on the right-hand side the channels move. That is going to be important for later. And we're going to move all the switches on here. Whoops. So as I'm doing that, you can see over on the other side of that, as I'm moving the switches, you can see like right there, channel 10 is moving. We're going to hit next, save all these parameters. Okay. Now, what we can do is, notice how it says aux1 pass-through RC channel? Right now we have this servo right here mapped to channel 5. So that you can see that. So basically, we're gonna, which is on the VOXL flight, on the flight core, if you will. Channel 5 is mapped to aux1. So what we can do is we can basically say, all right, well, which channel on here do we want to activate the servo that's mapped to aux1? We want channel 9, because that's the one that we're removing before. And you probably hear that servo just moved over here. So whenever we trigger channel 9, that's 11. That's not 9. That's not 9 either. There's 9. So whenever we trigger channel 9, you can see that it moves.